Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellect Insight. Have you ever wondered how builders make sure walls are perfectly straight or how maps calculate the shortest distance between two places? The answer lies in one of the most famous mathematical theorems, the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem states that a square plus b square is equal to c square, where a and b are the legs of a right triangle and C is the hypotenuse, the longest side opposite the right angle. This theorem only works for right angle triangles. Let's take example. Ladder against a wall. Imagine you place a 10-foot ladder against a vertical wall so that the bottom is 6 feet away from the wall. Now, how high does the ladder reach? This is the question. Now, the solution will be given base A is equal to 6 feet, hypotenuse C is equal to 10 feet. Let's find height B. Using the Pythagorean theorem, 6 square plus B square is equal to 10 square. Here, 6 square means 36, 10 square means 100. So now, B square is equal to 64 because 100 minus 36, it will be 64. Now if you take square root of 64, it will be 8. The ladder reaches 8 feet high. Let's take another example. Finding the shortest path. You are in a park and instead of walking around a rectangular field 3 meter by 4 meter, you want to take the shortest path diagonally. How long is the shortcut? This is the question. The solution will be 3 square plus 4 square is equal to c square. 9 plus 16 is equal to c square because 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. If you add up 9 plus 16, it will be 25 and square root of 25, it will be 5. The shortest distance is 5 meters instead of walking 7 meters. The Pythagorean theorem helps in construction, navigation, sports and engineering. Next time you see a triangle, check if you can apply a square plus b square is equal to c square to solve a real world problem. Thank you guys for your valuable time. Keep learning, keep hustling. See you in the next video.